How to make group chat on a Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. To make group chat on a Snapchat, first of all launch a Snapchat app. But before that, remember to update your Snapchat application to the latest version to enjoy all the features. Now tap on chat icon at bottom left corner of the screen. Now hit the new chat icon at bottom right corner. Now choose New Group button. Here you need to enter the new group name, and after that tap on the friends by tapping on the circle whom you want to add on your group. After that you can easily tap on chat with group button at bottom center of the screen. So you need to note that you cannot create group by adding the existing group. So let's tap on OK and on check. Now tap on chat with group. You can easily add 200 people on a group chat. Now the group has already been created on a Snapchat. Now you can interact with this group chat friends on a Snapchat. So that is how we make group chat on a Snapchat. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.